Nice, yes! Palm trees, this is what I was going for. I guess so. Yeah, you can buy. Wow, this is amazing. What a view. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah. This is a pretty. Sorry? No palm trees. This is pretty good. This looks pretty jungly. Let's go left. My goggles actually have a massive like smash in them or something. It's kind of...
Right behind that wooden thing. Most people will be behind there.
We're not going to fucking survive running to that.
No, we're not.
The green thing will survive. Red barrels, maybe. Shit. Alright. I'm going for the green thing then.
I'll cover right in front.
Run! This is what I meant, man.
Why is that even over there? Holy shit.
It's not enough space
I know.
to move. What?
I don't think you can do anything.
Thing is, we have no. Get back, man! You're fucking getting shot at. Get. Getting ricochets from the barrels. I'm gonna fucking try and peek out the top. Alright, is this one also? No.
That's why you're supposed to close your eyes and then try and imagine it's funny. And then shoot at it.
Cam, can you look out those holes to see if you see anything?
Looking at the hole.
Shit, he's coming from... Shit. Roll back in. Hit! Dive down into that little ridge there. Yeah, the thing is we'll spend too much time doing that. I don't know. So yeah, straight in the ditch, up the ridge. Straight in the ditch, ready? Straight in the ditch. Shit! I'm alive. Fuck, magazine's not feeding. Which wall? The big wall. Alright, I'll cover. Ready? 3. Hit! I hope I get some better games in the afternoon. This morning has been a bit mixed. This is basically CS. Oh my god, look at this shit. That smells like ass over here.
Yeah, well.
The weather's beautiful.
Only with summer I'll go to the beach.
Can't believe this is winter. This is such bullshit. This is not winter.
Like
In what definition of winter is this?
same thing in California.
Below 20 degrees.
Yeah. Mind you, it's freezing in my house.
Yeah, because they're not insulated.
Ironically. Tower defense.
Someone needs to go there.
Dungeon defenders. Whatever. Shit. Shit! By the blue barrels. Shit. He's got a bead on me. The one that I can see, blue barrels, near the back. They've moved up, another one, blue barrels side. There's guy on the right, extreme right. There's a set of barrels running horizontally like this over there. There are guys behind that. Got one. Other side of the castle. They're moving down there. Got it. I don't know if that was dead or not. Shit. In a doorway over there. I think the right hand side is clear. It's clear. Ah, shit! Alright, go over to that corner, stand behind the. See where the do not climb sign is? See where the do not climb sign is? Walk to that area there and watch the left. Okay, ready, okay. Get ready. No, turn around, turn around. I just checked that that's clear. All right, there's a guy below you, right in front, peeking out the side. On the 3, we're gonna both stand up and we're gonna fucking start shooting it. Ready? 3. He's not there, he's gone. It's clear. All right, watch, make sure you watch the left. Just in case they come out of that fucking thing here. See that orange thing with the blue barrel? Behind the curtain. Get ready. Okay, see the curtain, see the curtain. Keep watching that. Did you? Okay, go here. Got one. Shit. No, I think I'm okay. Right, I'm coming with you. Right, watch me. Guys, all the way down there. Clear. Go, go, quick, 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 quick. Okay, there's a fucker sitting right there. Yeah. They're looking the wrong way. Shit, man. I don't know if I want to do this. Right, ready? Wait, I'm not. Wait, start again. Let me back up one foot. Wait, hold on a sec. I'm just gonna wait for them to get back into cover for a second. Now. Got one. Got him. He's down. With difficulty. Right. They never told me semi-automatic at the start. Did they say semi at the start? Hit! Well, I guess I paid the price. Oh, my ass. Well, I'm not going first. It's too much of a post. Get it going.
Wow, this gun's not doing anything.
I feel like we're a bit exposed here actually.
We're a little exposed, yes.
On the left anyway.
Cam, watch your left side. Oh.
Cam, don't lift that flap too much, man. My ass.
I know. Seriously.
Right, I'm gonna go into that bunker. The one just there. Ready? Me, I need to like start shooting when I say. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Sorry. Fuck me, this is a lot of people.
Yeah. Because now they know there's someone.
I think the guy's trying to snipe me through the slit. Hey! Ah! No, it hit me. Fucking ran.
Past the green thing, past the barrels, back in this and no barrels with the tyres on top, just behind there. I don't know what his line's like, move forward.
Okay. I'm thinking if I move to the thing is, the last game, right? Might as well not fuck around with it.
Yeah.
Alright,
I reckon if you kept low,
yeah.
you go straight to there, they don't even see it.
Alright, do you want to just start fucking shooting and I will run to it? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go! I'm clear.